So many upgrades in this sophisticated end unit, and certainly the best home in the hood for entertaining. First, the location. Backing to trees and offering 2-car parking and driveway as well as abundant open street parking. Covered front door takes you to a landing with closet, up a step to what was the living dining room but is now the gorgeous custom $30,000 bar and dining room. Like entertaining? It doesn't get better than this. Gleaming hardwoods through first floor continue into highly upgraded kitchen West cherry cabinets, wall ovens, granite and stainless. Family room West pretty fireplace, gas, and abundant windows. Sunny breakfast room West sliders to really nice sized deck and tree views. Upstairs, the main bedroom has a vaulted ceiling, fan, large West eye closet and upgraded bath. 2 more nicely sized bedrooms share hall bath and the laundry is conveniently located here. The finished walkout basement is a great space for office, second family room, exercise or craft area.